seen before.
Ivan. It's going to watch our home with that way to Mukachomanyere. Otherwise, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
I want to Tajango Kandi.
Amazina nti Paul 256 ninga nabasa kunyeta Kakoba Boy. Agari turage naga ID business wise no ine gamberi ya tipo dire ryo mukana oreka yibaze ntubire ko mukinabero.
Hanga wanje. Otherwise, ni mambo yone muyeguza kandi tipo nakora cha. I also don't know. Menshi.
Ichandeta no kumanyisa abantu bitu banwana bitu bahagize bitu abari TV West right about now kanwa kagamba T-Paul nyine concert this Saturday so ndinko wijarete kubagambera konka batwire ne bakimanya nibo birata kukimanya ni this Saturday okutaha muno mutwaro ari Mbarara University in emitwaro shot VIP gold table nemitwaro 50 kandi platinum table ni 1 million mwije tube hamwe tuchakare hamwe tushemerere hamwe turebe industry twagisiya hisofa
kona mazima abantu binje ndabakimango je concert yawe konka twenda kumanya oshendekerezwe baba
twine batahi bita batushindikize from Uganda Uganda hatumara umuntu twakubari Kenya Uganda tuba turi international
of course.
So when we have some international acts from Uganda mkaba Simba Jike Simba Jike ni wandi yarubajaha tuineho Truth tuineho Omega tuineho Reiji tuineho Lydia Jasmine tuineho Zafaran tuineho Grenade tuineho Levixan to mention but a few.
That's nice. So you
have to MCs na DJs na
toka jini kutoka gambe international wise gamba muka
just
yes. I have a feeling it's gonna be a beautiful evening.
It's an evening for all of us. Yes, I prepared my performance for you, but this show is for the industry.
Age limit kugira ngo 18 and above.
Since the gates Nzikwaziigwire by 2, we can expect even the young ones to come around, but enjoying that evening. And no one will chase them home.
Beautiful. Bachimanya niyo mukazi ukunda business ata ntukuza kuburuza. Abemenda kweta business sawo kora show yawe. Bakineyo bwire ningo bwire wagenze.
Akire nkaka kiriyo just you need the right contact. Bruno Mushabi. Yes, that is the producer Bruno. If you can get the contact, mazumani wo kubasa kwisiyaho if you want to vent. Yes.
N'ekintu kirungi munonga kugira ngo cyo tubente tumanya. This by the fact that ndenda kuja kuchagara inabakwenda kweta obu business bwa bakajya staging aho. So oyiraho kugira mbu this show has happened now. Initially kuruga karimgeno oyiraho kugira ngo Chije twachimanya hati. Was it always in plan in your head that 2024 nyenda kukora show?
No.
Okay.
Konka. I always believed in one thing. Do good things.
Okay.
Consistently over time. And the sow you reap what you sow. So the reaping time, the reaping season.
Do you feel it down in your soul? This is the time.
Yep.
When mukama wanje echa nichirunji mnonga. Oh, you know the sponsors of the show?
Yeah, we have sponsors. Akonka Nubakwenda babareba mukaranga.
Okay.
Yeah, we have like Deborah Events, we have Belchini, we have Nash Printers, we have some other media houses.
Yes, nichirunji mnonga. Shamera mnonga kugira ngo literally social media is running crazy because of your show. Nichirunji kandi ni picture nunji. Ntwenda kumanya. How have you been able to connect with the society? Mbwenu reba kigumire kubonye Omushongi or superstar, I can say that. Then uka connecting no muntu hands. Yes, because I've seen many yokangamba abinkumanya aba boda ni bakukakasa mnonga. So I want to know, how do you do it kukwata uka connecting with all?
No kumanya yangu byone bitukora byona ntibukora ngabantu batiteho favor.
Yes.
Actually the favor comes from God. Akwa notakuma umuntu kwa kukunda, meaning it's a mental process that happened with how you always treated yourself around them, what they hear about you, a character yo portraying in the public. So nebintu binje bibantu bakugenderaho to perceive you as their product.
Nabajanga okushanga omugabeni ho kumaramiza. I am so happy that we just kubuze. Sawa sawa. How did it come about? Because of all people, why did you choose Lydia Jasmine? Yes.
I think she's good with collaborations. If
yeah,
you
she's really
kuba noreba ka history ke wa Rwampara Akadirisa and all her collaborations with the unknowns Nabahi. She's doing good with collaborations, which is the same thing with T. Paul.
Yes.
And she's a Ugandan top dog. Tokaza kumuzara.
Yes.
So and we needed something that just takes it a little higher. We didn't want to share a vibe.
No, share a vibe, yeah.
So I think it was a good.
She's vocally rich.
She's vocally rich, talented. Humble, very humble, very disciplined.
Because neshonga nkula beshongo zabandi kuja nkukubajara.
Lydia Jasmine did her verses.
Yes.
T. Paul did his verses.
That's nice.
With the help of Bruno and a couple of other writers. Yes, not just one. Manya guy was for us in Alpha Music.
Yes.
I think specifically with T. Paul work. Maybe with others it could be the same, but they really take time to get out the best out of me. Even if it means to get an extra writer here, an extra ninga, an extra mastering, a guy in Kakoba Herbert skills. Yes. They'll have to do everything to get the best because the dream is very big for Alpha Music. I think it has been here since 15 years now. Never sure. How long is Alpha Music?
10.
Like 10?
Yeah.
Not bad. There's somewhere no go. The dream is big and we have to maintain and keep taking it higher.
Kamwenge because that was a kona 10 kuza project emekujihuru tsamu. Kweli no jama abachikora busho.
No mutuma.
No kunde chincho kuba nokora. Otherwise yeta abantu bawe.
Abantu bitu actually n'abantu bitu. Ebiri 16 that is this Saturday. Ororo renyene. Gates will be open. Shaham Shanju. That is after police check Chamuka. Security guruguru. Kanda mutahi wanjari ariko planning akwijja kugira ngo ko izo mshawe. Chacha kutabukireho T. Paul nakubatariyo nanisha bangu tukumemerembo mushow ya T. Paul ari planning akutama umutima ngo bigwena mazima this show is bigger than all of us because tukore the industry ekintu kitaye turumara dad sana byomwe asimira umutima gwe otherwise must guarantee Paul 256
mbwenu ndikusibara twana ntumanya Bruno we have known Bruno kujanwe manager konka haro mshijo ndijo umbulire ngoko mungu wantu mbaje konga ndijo kandi yariyo kando ndijo manager weno omugamba kuki kandi bamweto
abanyara Rwampara bariyo mutureba twinayo omuntu w'unkwenda mu ndebere obwire ko barabugwije mu mwetature na Yesu Hudson ogo mshijani manager wanje kandi twire hamwe j'imyaka yona ngo kutubire ndukora hamwe I think n'imyaka nkamushanje right now. Beautiful. With Bruno as the producer and the other one as the extra manager, strategist, marketeer, but when we representative one in different fields, let's say called what is my representative. Also a mentor, a very good mentor. Somewhere mumundebere tujana tickets zo kuhereza abafani bitu
okay
abakwenda kusingura abana bakusingura bata tickets sezi
bambe kino program emwe eyo mwazyo ya Omuneneserezo so mbweno kuza kwehangura ticket yeye abo Omuneneserezo mbaza kwamba muheza okubara bakora ki nibahangura ba producer bitumbaza kubayambaho to know how you can win yourself a ticket for People's Show. Otherwise nashema mnonga kufuna program twendeze birungi byonka bibuza twinire binji konga katwanze tukurinda orgom show zakana tugaka tweta hano tugambere bire twenda kumanyaho
kare.
Otherwise nyenda kusima mwena abakunyegita ha platform zona abaria X app abaria Instagram ninga ha Facebook page yitu TV WestNehinda mwe bari mnonga baruke swani takwa nimbushama ahandi hacheho reka tukariko music tubentera mu bishogo wa tiporaho as we continue with the show. Ichikuriye kumera ha TV West otakadira yours.